Did you know that just 3 cups of coffee a day can reduce your risk of death from any cause by up to 27%? According to research from the European Journal of Preventive Cardiology, drinking 2 to 3 cups of coffee daily significantly lowers the risk of cardiovascular disease and stroke, protecting your overall health over a 12.5-year study period. In another study, published in September 2024, it was found that consuming 2 to 3 cups of coffee daily could reduce the risk of developing cardiovascular disease, including coronary heart disease, by an impressive 48%. But coffee doesn't stop at extending your lifespan. It's truly a superfood that supports better health in numerous ways. From lowering blood pressure and improving mood to preventing chronic illnesses, including cancer, and protecting your liver and kidneys, coffee offers a range of remarkable benefits. Coffee is truly a gift from nature to humanity. Imagine this. As the sun rises, the aroma of freshly brewed coffee fills the air, and warm, rich drops pour into your cup, awakening your senses and setting the tone for a productive day. For the busy and ambitious, a morning cup of coffee isn't just a drink, it's a dose of clarity and energy to power through the day. And for your health, 3 cups of coffee a day can boost your lifespan, ward off serious illnesses, and enhance your quality of life. Let's dive into the magic that 3 cups of coffee can bring to your body today. First, coffee is packed with powerful antioxidants like polyphenols and hydrocinamic acids that contribute to longer lifespans. Research shows that most people consume about 1 to 2 grams of antioxidants daily through various foods and beverages. Remarkably, studies in Norway and Finland reveal that coffee is the largest source of antioxidants, accounting for approximately 64% of the total antioxidant intake for most individuals. Did you know your body is under constant attack from harmful molecules called free radicals? These free radicals can damage vital molecules like proteins and DNA, accelerating cell aging and increasing your risk of chronic diseases, ultimately shortening your lifespan. This is where antioxidants step in as your body's protectors, neutralizing free radicals effectively. While your body naturally produces its own antioxidants, called endogenous antioxidants, these are often insufficient to combat the onslaught of free radicals. That's why you need to supplement with external sources of antioxidants. And coffee happens to be one of the best sources for your body. 2 key antioxidants found in coffee, hydrocinamic acid and polyphenols, are particularly effective at neutralizing free radicals and preventing oxidative stress. These compounds protect your cells, slow down aging, and ultimately help extend your lifespan. So, what are you waiting for? Take a sip of coffee and experience the amazing benefits it brings. Stay tuned for the next section, where we'll explore even more incredible health perks of coffee. Don't forget to hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments. Your stories might just inspire others in our health-conscious community. 3 cups of coffee a day can significantly reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Research published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism by the Endocrine Society reveals that consuming 3 to 5 cups of coffee daily, equivalent to approximately 200 to 300 milliliters of caffeine, can lower the risk of developing cardiometabolic diseases by up to 48.1%. These include type 2 diabetes, coronary heart disease, and stroke. What makes this study remarkable is the strong connection it establishes between moderate coffee consumption and its protective effects on heart health, particularly in individuals without existing conditions. Coffee and caffeine not only help prevent the onset of such diseases, but also reduce the risk of simultaneously developing multiple severe cardiovascular issues, providing positive outcomes at every stage of disease progression. With such clear scientific evidence, coffee isn't just a beloved beverage. It's also a simple and effective way to support your heart health. Remember, 3 cups a day can make all the difference. The most immediate benefit you can feel from drinking 3 cups of coffee a day is a surge in alertness and energy. Coffee sharpens your focus, boosts your mood, and fills your body with vitality. It's the perfect companion to kickstart your day on a high note and maintain peak performance throughout. Thanks to its moderate caffeine content, coffee stimulates the central nervous system, enhancing concentration and significantly improving productivity. Beyond that, the uplifting sensation it provides helps you tackle daily challenges with a more positive and optimistic mindset. Additionally, caffeine aids in boosting your metabolism, enabling your body to burn energy more effectively. A morning cup of coffee is more than just a delicious ritual. It's the key to sustaining a steady flow of energy and a positive outlook all day long. Many people believe that caffeine in coffee is a stimulant that can lead to addiction and long-term negative effects on neurological health. However, this is a significant misconception. In reality, caffeine in coffee offers remarkable benefits for the brain and nervous system. Acting as a mild stimulant, caffeine enhances neural function, boosts memory, and sharpens focus. In fact, regular coffee consumption has been shown to reduce the risk of degenerative brain diseases, such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, by 30–65%. These conditions, often associated with aging, result from the gradual decline of neural functions over time. Yet, coffee's benefits go beyond cognitive improvement. It also contains powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, like polyphenols, which protect brain cells from damage and degeneration. Additionally, studies indicate that women who drink coffee regularly have a lower risk of depression. With a simple daily habit like drinking coffee, you not only sharpen your mind, but also build a strong defense for your brain's long-term health. If you're over 50 and enjoy your daily coffee, share your story about how it's impacted your brain health and memory. Your experiences could become a valuable source of inspiration and knowledge for our health-conscious community. Contrary to the common belief that coffee might harm the liver, the reality is quite the opposite. Coffee is actually very good for liver health. Scientific research has shown that drinking coffee in moderation provides significant benefits for liver function, including reducing the risk of developing fatty liver disease. Unique compounds found in coffee, such as cafestol and kawiol, possess anti-inflammatory properties and help prevent fat buildup in the liver, thereby enhancing its efficiency. Coffee not only promotes a healthier liver, but also acts as a protective shield, reducing the risk of developing serious liver-related conditions. Is coffee good for your kidneys too? Coffee is not just a beverage to keep you alert. It also offers surprising benefits for kidney health. Research has shown that regular coffee consumption can help reduce the risk of kidney-related conditions, including chronic kidney disease. Caffeine in coffee has been proven to stimulate blood circulation, increasing blood flow to the kidneys, and improving their ability to filter waste and toxins effectively. Additionally, the antioxidants in coffee play a vital role in protecting kidney cells from damage caused by free radicals. This protection is particularly beneficial for individuals at higher risk, such as older adults. Maintaining a moderate coffee drinking habit not only keeps you alert, but also provides a practical and effective way to support long-term kidney health and ensure your kidneys function efficiently. Coffee doesn't just boost your metabolism, it also helps your body burn energy more efficiently, making it an excellent tool for better weight management. This benefit is especially relevant in today's modern lifestyle, where many people struggle with slow metabolism caused by long hours at the office and lack of physical activity. The caffeine in coffee stimulates thermogenesis, encouraging your body to use more energy even while at rest. This not only helps prevent weight gain, but also targets stubborn belly fat, a common issue in today's society. In a world where gaining weight is easy, but losing it feels like a battle, a simple habit like drinking coffee daily can be the key to maintaining a balanced and healthy physique. Have you tried using coffee as part of your weight loss journey? Share your experiences and results in the comments below to inspire others and explore even more amazing benefits of this simple yet powerful habit. So, we've explored the incredible benefits of drinking 2 to 3 cups of coffee a day. However, there are a few important points to keep in mind. If you have high blood pressure, consider limiting or avoiding coffee. Additionally, to ensure quality sleep, it's best to stop drinking coffee at least 6 hours before bedtime. While you can enjoy up to 3 to 5 cups of coffee daily, 3 cups is often considered the ideal balance for maximizing health benefits while staying mindful of your well-being. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video to spread the word. Stay tuned for more health tips and tricks. And as always, stay healthy and full of energy.